Hi everybody, my name is Panagiotis Martakis. I'm the founder and CEO of Irmos Technologies. Our mission is to maximize the safe life of our infrastructure and buildings, and we do this by combining cost-efficient sensors with intelligent algorithms. So we help owners of large portfolios of buildings and bridges reduce their risks and optimize costs for structural retrofit. With the support of Gebert Rüf Stiftung, we managed to develop the first generation of our sensors, which we also deployed in multiple projects of early adopters. And we also managed to convert these early adopters to clients and receive valuable feedback. As a next step, now we integrate this feedback to our product development, and we develop the next generation of our sensors and software. And our goal is to expand in further market segments in Switzerland and slowly build our international growth.